Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I want to go over two ways you can help the channel. So as you know, proper financial analysis takes time and effort, and I want to find a way to keep the main channel free. So just so you know, Panda owns shares of QQY and other high yield ETFs as part of the portfolio and eats his own cooking for better or for worse. And of course, like the main way to help the channel grow is to like, subscribe, and share. I think that's great for everyday investors, and plus it's free. The other way to support the channel is consider joining as a paid member. This will help support the main channel, and I think for motivated investors that want more analysis, this would be the way to go. And of course, there is a small monthly charge, but you can cancel at any time with YouTube and Google. And in the future, this is what the channel will have as a subscribe and a join button. So if you consider joining as a paid member, that'd be great, because then this way you can also access exclusive videos. Of course, if you can like, subscribe, and share, I would greatly appreciate it. I hope everyone makes some good money out there, and I'll see you in the next video.